Leaf batteries can be replaced by bigger ones, including the very early leafs. You can put big batteries in because the basic structure of a leaf never really changed. The body did, but not the place where the batteries go. So you can, for a leaf at least, get a larger battery, and a lot of people in the UK are doing that.
Chevy Bolt had some defective battery packs, and owners who have had those packs replaced have gone from, I think it was 238 miles to 258 miles.
They also are repairing batteries in the UK and in Norway, where the Teslas, they have a huge percentage of EVs in Norway. And the early Teslas that went over there, the Model S's, are now running out of warranty. So they're putting together a large network of EV repair centers, and it's backed by Bosch, the German component manufacturer, and they are in the process of figuring out how to repair batteries as opposed to replace them, and making progress. They actually replaced, they had someone come in with a Model S who had been told he needed to replace his battery by Tesla, and discovered that it wasn't the battery at all. It was a component on the battery management system, which they managed to replace for $1. They're beginning to learn how to repair them, and typically you don't have to replace an EV battery unless some of the cells go wrong. They just, the range, the capacity of the batteries declines over time, and if you have a car that will do 200 or 300 miles on, when it was new, you probably will never have to replace the battery.